Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G72, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin with accessing Play Store and typing in Magic Fluids. When you're ready, download this free app from Mad Scientist developer and tap on Open. In order to mute the music, click on the bottom left corner. Now click on the top right one and tap on Settings. Then you need to choose I accept in First Things First pop-up, and then adjust all of those settings however you wish to. When your wallpaper is perfectly adjusted, you need to click on the top right corner and bottom one again. Over here, choose Set as Live Wallpaper, then choose Set Wallpaper and tap on one of those options. I will go with Home Screen only. Now you need to swipe up from the bottom of your screen and click on Home button. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!